I'm going to show you how to decrease 70 by 5%. So in my first method, I'm going to start by working out what 5% of 70 is. So to do that, I have to multiply them together. Okay, so 70 multiplied by 5% is the same thing as 70 multiplied by 5 out of 100. Okay, so if we calculate this, 70 multiplied by 5 is 350. And we're dividing by 100. So that means the decimal point here has to move 2 places to the left. So we're left with 3.5. Okay, so this is 5% of 70, okay? But the question says decrease 70 by 5%. So what we have to do next is subtract that answer from 70, okay? So 70 take away 3.5 gives us 66.5, and that is the final answer. So now I'm going to show you another method to decrease 70 by 5% in just one step. And this method is handy if you need to know reverse percentages and if you're allowed to use a calculator in your exam. So this time I'm going to multiply the number 70 by 95% instead, as this automatically takes into account the decrease in 5%. Okay, so 95% here is found by subtracting this 5% from 100%, okay? So if you type that into the calculator, it's going to give you the correct answer straight away. Just be careful if you use this method, you must type the percent symbol into your calculator, okay, if you do it like that. Alternatively, you could write the percentage in fraction form instead. So you could multiply 70 by 95 out of 100. Okay, that's going to give you the same thing. Or finally, you could write this in decimal form. Okay, so you could multiply 70 by 0.95. Okay, so each of these will give you the same answer as earlier, 66.5, which is 70 decreased by 5%.